Hello and welcome to the Vantage tutorial on installation basics. The industrial-grade internal components of the Vantage include a CPU, memory, a switching power supply, several relays, and input-output circuitry, and all electronics for a front panel display, a touch keypad, and serial communications. Let's review the Vantage controller layout and mounting. The Vantage control is housed in a flush mount enclosure. This enclosure is designed for installation within a control room panel or cabinet. There is also an optional enclosure that is a form factor replacement for the Vantage GP, which you are seeing here. The standard Vantage package must be mounted to allow sufficient room for wiring access. If you turn the Vantage around, you will notice 8 screws that allow secure mounting. The screw holes do not come through the front of the unit, so ensure you use the correct length of mounting screws. The holes are tapped to a minimum depth of 0.312 inch. Choose the proper screw length so you do not exceed this depth into the bezel. The mounting dimensions are displayed on the brackets in inches and millimeters. The Vantage package meets NEMA 4X ratings when it is properly installed within a NEMA 4X panel, cabinet, or Vantage enclosure. A gasket is attached to the rear side of the package's bezel to properly seal the Vantage's faceplate to a panel. All field wiring connects to the Vantage through removable terminal blocks located on the backside. The Vantage's terminal blocks are designed so they can be easily removed by hand. After disconnecting the Vantage's input power, the terminal blocks can be removed one at a time by prying them open using your fingertips. When removing a terminal block, never pull on the wires connected to the terminal block. Wires for the fixed-mounted power terminals should be stripped to 5 to 6 mm or 0.22 inches. Wire for the pluggable I/O terminals should be stripped to 8 to 9 mm or 0.33 inches long. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed watching.